Hello everyone, the Light Beauty Six here. So today let's discuss on tretinoil. So let's discuss about this because a lot of people use it and they will end up complaining the thing is making their face more rough, more acne coming out, more breakout. The truth about tretinoil, majority of people as it starts, when you start tretinoil, something you should have in your mind, like tretinoil purges face. When you start tretinoil, the first, second, third, fourth week will always bring out more acne on your face. It will purge your face. So during this period, if you are not patient, you're like, oh, this thing is not good for me, I have to discontinue. No, that is not how you're going to use it. Today I'm going to discuss how you use tretinoil. Once you start using tretinoil and you discover that it's purging you, I'm going to give you direction on how to use it in the other way around to avoid much purging. Okay, what is the essence of this tretinoil? Tretinoil is used in the treatment of acne, stubborn acne. So please, as a start, if you want to start tretinoil, the first time, tretinoil they have the different percentage. Okay, they have 0.1%. They have 0.0, they have 0.05%, then they have 0.2%. So they have different percentage. So for the first time you are using tretinoil, you can't just jump to 0.02, 0.2 or 0.1. Please, if you are starting for the first time, please start from 0.05. 0.05. I think that is the least. 0.05. So as a start, always use tretinoil with a good moisturizer. Always, before you use tretinoil, apply your moisturizer before you apply your tretinoil. Then after your tretinoil, you can still apply moisturizer. But some person they use tretinoil moisturizer and use tretinoil like that, so they don't even experience purging of the face and that thing. So what you do, if you have hair, most times sometimes when you what do I mean by black hair or white hair? Black hair is those pimples under your skin. If you have pimples like that, when you start using tretinoil, you first of all bring them out. That is why you see that the first week of using tretinoil, your face will become more rough. That is what it means by purging the face. The tretinoil is bringing out the acne under the skin. It's bringing the inner acne. They will bring it out and treat it. That is how tretinoil works. But some person use tretinoil and they don't even experience purging of the face. Some they complain of peeling of face, some complain of purging of face. So the best way to use it when you use tretinoil and you are having much acne on your face, what you do, please, first thing you do before going to bed, before you have your bath, you apply tretinoil on your dry face. Apply tretinoil on your dry face. Leave it on your face 30 to 40 minutes. Then you bath and wash it out. Apply your moisturizer. You don't leave it on your face till daybreak. Are you getting me? If you discover tretinoil is purging your face much, you don't need to discontinue. What you do, you limit how you use it, how often you use it. You limit how you use it, which means if you are using it every day, you are going to be using it maybe every 3 days, or you use it twice in a week or thrice in a week. You understand? So just thrice or twice you use it in the week. You are going to use it on your dry face. Do you understand? Are you getting me? Please listen to me. You are going to use it on your dry face. On your dry face before you bath. Do you understand? You apply tretinool on your dry face and leave it for like 30 to 40 minutes before you have your bath. Then when you are bathing, you wash it out. So you don't have to leave it till daybreak on your face again, so that it will reduce the purging of the face. You apply it, you leave it for some minutes, then you wash it. You wash it out. And again, when you are using tretinool, avoid your eye circle so that it will not give you dark eye circle. This is necessary. Mary and May, this is eye cream. When you are using any benzoperoxide, when you are using anything that contains benzoperoxide, please always protect your eye. You use this eye cream. We have different type of eye cream. We have eye cream by Simple, Mary and May, Marine, and all that. So we have different type, depends on the product you like using. But I must confess, this Mary and May is very nice. Mary and May eye cream is very nice. This one comes 3-in-1. So it's not everybody that can buy the tray. So we detach it, we sell one. Then sunscreen is very important when you are using any product like that, especially when you are trying to treat acne.